Hi there, Faith here. Do you ever listen to birds? Caw, caw. Birds make sounds like quack quack and tick tick. Here's one I really like. Tweet tweet. Next time you listen to birds, see how many sounds you can hear. Bubble Guppies is next.